Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Tinder, from setting up your profile to making your first match. So stick around until then to learn all the tips and tricks to get the most out of this popular dating app. So let's dive in. Now to download the app, visit App Store or Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Tinder. Now look for the Tinder app in the search results. It is represented by this red flame icon. Now click on Install and wait for the app to download and install on your device, and this may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, open it. When you will open Tinder, you will be prompted to sign in, and here you will find three options. The first option is to sign in by using Google. They will send a verification code on your Gmail account. The second is to sign in by using Facebook. If you sign in with your Facebook, this will link your Tinder profile to your Facebook account, and this is going to allow you to import photos and your basic information. And if you sign in with your phone number, then you will enter your phone number. After this, you will receive a verification code via SMS. So you can choose the option that works for you. And once that is done, here you have to enter your basic information. So enter your name as you want it to appear on your profile and then click on next. After this, scroll through the options to set your correct date of birth. Tinder requires you to be at least 18 years old to use the app. So add your date of birth. After this, you have to choose your gender. You can select male, female, or you can tap on more to explore additional gender options. Then set your preferences to specify whether you want to see a man, woman, or everyone. After this, Tinder allows you to upload up to 9 photos. So you can click on this plus icon to add the photos. And if you logged in by Facebook, you can simply import photos directly from your Facebook albums. You can also upload photos directly from your phone's gallery. Make sure to use clear and high quality photos that showcase your face and personality. Avoid group photos where it is hard to identify you. On Tinder's main screen, you will find these different 5 options at the bottom. The first one is this flame icon. Now this is the home button which brings you back to the main screen where you can swipe through potential matches. It is the default screen you can see when you open the app, showing profiles, so you can swipe left or right. And next we have the explore icon. The explore icon opens the explore section of Tinder, which offer various features and ways to discover new people beyond the standard swiping. The explore icon helps you discover more interactive and tailored experiences within Tinder. And next we have the spark icon. Now the spark icon specifically indicates the section where you can see who has liked your profile. This feature is part of Tinder Gold and Tinder Platinum subscription. And next you can see this chat icon. This icon opens the chat section where you can view and manage your matches and conversations. When you tap on it, you will see a list of people you have matched with. You can also start a conversation with any of your matches from here. And last but not the least is the profile icon. Now this icon takes you to your profile page. Here you can edit your profile details, add or change photos, update your bio. You can also manage your app settings and privacy control from this section. For Tinder to work, you must need to leave location service on, and you will see an image in the middle of the page. This is a profile of another Tinder user nearby. And here you can see we have this yellow arrow, and this will undo your last swipe. But you must purchase a Tinder Plus subscription to do this. After that, you can see we have this red cross icon, which is to dislike a photo. You can also swipe left over a profile to perform this action. And the next is this blue star icon. And the purpose of this is to like a profile and alert the user that you have liked their profile. And you have free super likes per month. You can also swipe up on a person's profile to perform this step. And then we have this green heart-shaped icon. And this is also used to like a profile, which allows you to match with them if they like you back. You can also swipe right over a profile to perform this action. And last but not the least is this purple lightning bolt icon. And when you click on this, it will boost your profile's visibility for 30 minutes. And you get 1 free boost per month. And you can access your profile by clicking on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Although Tinder is free, but there are subscription options that you can pay for monthly or yearly. So Tinder offers 3 subscriptions. First we have is Tinder Plus. Now Tinder Plus allows unlimited swiping and also limit information people see about you, like your age and distance, and navigate the app ad-free. And then we have Tinder Gold. Tinder Gold offer all the Tinder Plus benefits, but using Tinder Gold, you can also see the profiles of everyone who liked you before you say yes or no. And then we have Tinder Platinum. Tinder Gold and Plus benefits are included in this Tinder Platinum. Additionally, when you like someone, you have priority over those who are non-subscription based. And when super liking someone, you can send a message before a match. And if you want to access the settings, in the top right corner, you can see the gear icon. Click on it. And with that, settings menu will open up. And the first thing here we have is discovery settings. These settings affect your Tinder browsing and the kind of profiles you will see. You can change your current location by tapping on this option. After this, here we have the maximum distance. You can raise or lower the matchmaking search radius. After that, in this show me section, you can select the gender you are interested in. And then we have age range. Here you can raise or lower the maximum age you are interested in. And you can review the other setting items. You can edit your notification settings. You can view the privacy policy. Or you can also log out of Tinder from the menu. And if you want to edit your information, you can click on this pencil icon. Now here you can add your pictures. And here in this About Me section, you can add the bio. You can add a profile description, but remember there is a 500 character limit for your description. You can also review your profile information. You can add your current occupation, your school. You can add about your interests. You can add about your relationship goals, your height, the languages. There are several aspects that you can add it. Once you're done, tap on this flame icon in the bottom left corner, and doing so will return you to the main Tinder page where you can begin matching with others. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.